Hello inventors, welcome to episode 1 of MIT App Inventor beginners course. In this episode, we will discuss about MIT App Inventor in brief. MIT App Inventor is an online platform for making mobile apps, mainly designed for students and newcomers to welcome them into the world of software development. Its origin was from Google and is currently maintained by the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT. This platform was first released on December 15, 2010 by the developers Google, MIT Media Lab, MIT Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Laboratory. The original authors were Harold Abelson and Mark Friedman. MIT App Inventor is written in Java, Java, and Scheme, but we inventors do not need to learn or write any languages to make apps in this platform. We can use the blocks to code apps in MIT App Inventor. Anyone can use MIT App Inventor if he or she has even a little knowledge about app development. It is more helpful and suitable for students who want to go in the way of computer and software development. We can call MIT App Inventor the primary stage of being a coder. MIT App Inventor lets you express your creativity in your own apps. You can design and code your app with ease. Though this platform is mainly made for building apps, you can also make games in it. You can't make advanced games like the games made with game engines like Unity and Unreal Engine. Simple 2D games can be made in MIT App Inventor, but you can make advanced apps in this platform. To enter into MIT App Inventor, open your web browser and type the URL appinventor.mit.edu. Once the website opens, click on the Create Apps button. Then you will need to log in to MIT App Inventor with your Google account, or you can sign up and continue with a new account. After signing in, you will enter the project section of MIT App Inventor. You can click on the Start New Project button and you will get into your workstation. There are two sections for making an app: Designer section and Block section. In the Designer section, you will get a huge set of tools by using which you can design your app. You will get a phone screen at the center in which you can see the current appearance of your app. After designing, you can go to the Blocks section and code your app using blocks. You can change between the Designer and Blocks section anytime. In the next episodes of this series, we will learn about the uses of different components of the Designer and Blocks section. Videos of this series are premiered every day at these times. Subscribe and turn on all notifications to get notified with newer videos of this series every day. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, stay safe.